As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Spirit S-315. What are your thoughts?
Oh, interesting choices. The Charbroil is definitely the more budget-friendly option at $139, while the Weber is significantly pricier at around $850.
Yeah, the price difference is huge. But what about the actual grilling? Is the Weber worth the extra cash?
Well, in terms of cooking space, the Weber has a clear advantage. It boasts 529 square inches compared to the Charbroil's 280. So, if you're often grilling for a crowd, the Weber's larger area is a plus.
Makes sense. And what about power?
The Weber also wins there. It has 3 burners pumping out 32,000 BTUs, whereas the Charbroil has 2 burners with a total of 20,000 BTUs. More burners generally mean more even heat distribution and faster cooking.
Okay, so bigger and more powerful. What about features?
The Charbroil does have a side burner, which is handy for warming sauces or cooking side dishes. The Weber doesn't have that, but it does have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are known for their superior heat retention and are easier to clean. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates.
Easy cleanup is always a win. What about size?
The Charbroil is more compact. Its product dimensions are 24.1 dx 45.6 inches, wx 43.5 inches h, while the Weber is roughly 24 dx 24, wx 45.5 h. And honestly, the Charbroil weighs more, surprisingly. It's 37.5 pounds to the Weber's 20.
Interesting. So it sounds like the Weber is the better grill overall, but the Charbroil is a solid option if you're on a budget or have limited space.
Exactly. The Weber has better heat, a larger cooking surface, and more durable grates. But if you're just grilling for yourself or a small family and don't need all the bells and whistles, the Charbroil is a perfectly good grill. Plus, that side burner is nice, and the price is hard to beat.
Thanks. That really helps. I think I have a better idea of what to look for now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.